what fun it is to ride in a horse. Jingle bells.
We got the Lambo last week. We didn't get a pod, but we dropped a review, and we said we'd be back to tell you about it. So we're here, and we're going to tell you about the Lambo with a pod in place. Let's hit it.
So, they screwed us again.
Yeah, that's what it seems like.
I don't think this time it was intentional, though, but they did it. They done did it.
Yeah. So we got our pod, and we filled it up, and Ty's ready to hit this device and let it sit for a while. And what happened, Nate?
I hit it twice. Tasted great. Passed it to you. You hit it once, and it was burnt. 3 hits.
Damn!
3 hits in, and it's burnt.
Yeah.
Now here's the disappointing thing. It felt great. When I hit it, it felt great. I was almost like, maybe we trashed this device a little too much.
Yeah, and I hit it, it was good, but
it's burnt. It burned so fucking fast. It's
disappointing.
It's a disappointing purchase.
Like this device is expensive, and you've got the pod. It doesn't come with a pod, but when you get the pod and you fill it up and you put it in, it sucks. It's like this is just a waste. This is something you should look out for.
Yeah, this is something
don't buy
I would say don't buy. I mean, in theory, it's overpriced, but it seems like it should be a good device. Mm-hmm. Maybe if they got their pods in order, it could be a good device. 16
watts on a small battery isn't very much. That'll give you a great hit, but it'll die like instantly, which is kind of a bummer. But I have so many problems with. I want to like this device, but
I wanted to like it so bad.
Yeah, I just can't.
Huge letdown here. As we said in another video, doesn't have really good specs for the price, and I was waiting for this pod to really change my mind. The One Vape Lambo is a bad device. Change my mind.
Yeah, exactly. I don't know. I don't think
they didn't do it.
There's not much more to say about this.
Yeah,
it's just a bummer.
I just not recommend it to anyone ever.
That's really that's all I have to say about it.
Yeah,
this was just kind of a cap off with the pod to see what we really think of this device.
Yeah.
And turns out it's really not worth our time or anybody's time or money. So
no.
Do not buy the product. We got some link down below you might want to check out. We got the reviews, so if you're interested, check those. But pass this one up.
Pass it up. Don't do it. Nope.
Mm-hmm.
It's not lit.
It's not lit. No.
Nope.
But thanks for watching, guys, and until next time,
peace out.